We're coming down on the beach, New Smyrna Beach, but we're on the north end where all the surfers come in. Let's see if we can find anything out here. It's going into low tide about 6 o'clock.
Yep.
Actually, quite a few people down here.
Yep. Busy spot.
Can't drive on the beach, so everyone's having to sneak in wherever they can. This park's still open. What's the name of this one?
Barck.
Clark?
Barck.
Barck?
Like a dog. Barck.
Barck.
Grayce Barck.
Great Barck. Okay.
Grayce Barck.
We're in the Great Barck. So we'll go around where all the surfers are and see what they've been dropping. Probably nothing.
Nope. Not them.
There's been some damage out here. So we get fired up out here and go on out. I saw somebody down there detecting. He's way down there now. I don't know. All right, I'll try it. Let's just give it a real quick check here and see what we got. That's a good 10. Yeah, right there. See what we got. It's right here in this. Hard to say. We got it in the scoop. Let's check it out and see what we got. It is pull tab, beaver tail. Alright. Yep, 29 right there. Well, let's give it a shot and see what we got. It's in there. Right there. Okay, we'll shake it through and see. I hear something. Oh, it is. It's shell. I'd say that's a fresh quarter. That is Kentucky. Okay. Okay, so there's a 12-13 right here. Let's check that out real quick. It's in this. I think it was in this. There it is. Did I get it? Okay, got it. That is, I think it's a nickel. Yeah, that's a nickel. Fairly, it's a newer nickel. You can see the face right there. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, let's see if there's anything else here. Quarter was there. Say there's another one right there. Another quarter right here, maybe. People dropping their coins here. There it is. Another quarter. Well, let me drop it in the process. Whee! Another state quarter. Fairly new. I haven't seen that one before. There's a sword on it.
It's round
up
here
in the shade, huh? On the
it's
bottom
a
of the dune area.
6.
What do you got?
A 6.
You got a 6?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, try right there. A little more over this way. It's down about 3 notches. May have it.
Yeah, I do.
I think I do. Or I did not. Either way. Yeah. See if I can shake it through here. Oop, oop. Sounds like a coin. Nope. That is a, what is that? Oh, a washer.
Oh, dang. You're getting a little excited there.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
It's a washer ring.
Yeah,
So.
for very skinny fingers.
Okay. I got like a, could be a 10-11 right here. down a little ways. Let's see what we got. It's in this, isn't it? Right there. Missed it. Right here. Should be in this. The reverse look. Did I leave it there? Guess I did, didn't I?
I'm getting all negative.
Little tiny thing of some sort, like right about there. That looks like it. That is a little tiny ornamental thing. See? Little diamond thing.
Oh, wow.
Get a little container for that. We'll put that in there. I got like a 12, weird 12 right here. 12, 8, 12, 15. I think I got it. I'm going to take it up here with a little dryer. We'll come up here a little ways. Give me a bit to find out where I dropped it. Appears to be right here. I wonder if it's this little sliver. No, it's in that. Well, let's get the wand out and check it out. Stay. Should be like right here. Oh. It was in front of me. That is definitely a sinker. Okay. That was throwing me off. May have something right here. Yeah, 3, 4. Kind of hard to say. Right on the surface it looks like. I think I got it. Let's go up here and see if I can knock it out. Make sure it didn't droop out in the way. Might be a small. Oh, this might be far enough. And there. And this. Okay, so it's in this piece, I think. I still want to spread it out. There it is. Like a nail. What kind of piece of wire here? Oh, that's part of some really old glasses or sunglasses of some sort. There's like a little hook
look at
here.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, some kind of old copper.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Definitely a really old little set of some sort.
Yes.
Okay.
That is great.
That's kind of cool. But I think not sure what it is, brass of some sort.
Oh, I see something floating
There
in the
is.
water.
Not very far down, right? Like right about here. Let's see if I can get it in the first scoop. Knock the camera around. I may have it. I'm going to go up here where it's a little bit dry and I'll have to fight with water. I think it's over in this piece, I'm not sure. See, I'm not sure. How about there? Alright, I'm going to still spread it out. There it is, I think. Is that it? That ain't it. Oh, it's this. That is nothing. Nope, there it is. Okay, found another sinker, I think. Feels like it. Yep. A little tiny. Terry's out in the water trying to get something. What are you getting?
A chair.
Huh? A chair? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll go grab this chair. Oh, there we go. Found somebody's chair. Got somebody's name on it.
Oh, it does?
Riviera. North NB 402 Riviera.
Oh.
It's only bits and pieces of it. I don't know. I mean, I could take it further up, but I don't know what to do with it.
Ew. Ew. what's
Is that
that?
a worm or a
What is
plant?
that? Giant
One of
worm?
those plant things, or
It looks like a giant worm.
it does look like a giant worm, doesn't it?
Ew. Gross.
I think it's a root. Probably a root. That's a root, isn't it? Well, maybe it is a sluggy thing.
It looks weird.
Hard to say. I don't know. Oh look, we're finding our sunglasses again. Different set of pair here. I found a pair here.
Mine's missing one thing.
You get some missing one thing.
Oh, and you're missing both things.
Missing both things on this one.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Well, we're picking up garbage, I guess.
Yeah. That's fun.
One more pair of sunglasses. Well, in a minute, I'll take up this 24. I think it's right here and under the scoop. Let's see if I can get it. Let the wave wash it out for me. Missed it. Right about there. Try that. I think I got it. Let's see if I can rinse it out here. Either I got it or it went way deep.
What
24.
number?
I think I got it, whatever it is.
What number?
No, that's a shell. There it is. It's a dime.
Oh, there you go.
So that was 24. So
Okay.
regular clad dime. Not put on here too terribly long. What's Terry got there? What'd you find?
Found it on the surface.
Oh wow, coin right there?
Yeah.
What is that? Crustied up, maybe a penny?
Maybe.
Yeah. Take a look here. You got it?
No.
Yeah. I think that's a penny. Yeah. There's telltale signs that it's probably copper. They tend to grow more than anything else.
So that's funny. It was right on the surface.
Yep.
I had to check for it, but
Get another pair of sunglasses.
there we go. Missing
And
one.
another one missing one, yeah.
We needed a bag for sunglasses.
Yeah, probably so. I should have brought an extra bag. Another part of one of the sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay, that could go with one. So maybe we'll make a complete set there. Hard to say. Yeah, it's funny how it worked. You turn around and you get a 25, 26 right here on the surface. Right about here, I think. See if I got it. I think I got it. I don't know if I have enough water to wash it out. You can go out here and wash it out. Come here, Tide. Let's see what I got. I'm sure it's big enough it's not going to go through. Here it is. That'd be a penny. Could be a memorial cent, so more than likely that's a copper penny of some sort there. 60 something maybe.
It's trying to be a.
You got like a 17 showing up there?
Doesn't sound good, so.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty far down.
19,
so I don't know if you
17. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Now I lost it. I pulled it out in this. In this piece. Got it. Water's coming up. I'm going to go up here. Let's spread it out about there. I just got blinded. No. I got some blind at the moment. Might be this. It's here somewhere. Not that. Not this. Should be right there.
Okay.
Alright, what do we got? Break up the sand here. Where'd he go? It's not any of the stuff on the ground here. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
It's a, I think that's a sinker, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, I'd say that's a sinker. Oh, it's a part of a rivet thing or a sinker. Oh, maybe it's a bullet. I don't know.
15 right on the surface.
16 right there?
Yeah,
okay.
Not too far down. Yeah.
Yeah, Rick. I'm really trying to pinpoint better here. I'm not doing it. Oh, it's sinking in, I think. Oh, I hit something there. On this side, yep, there's some. Oh, something big and hard right there. I think it's bigger than, not necessarily on the surface, it's just bigger. Yeah, see there's something really hard right there. See if we can pull it out of there. I think I got it. Let's wash it out.
Oh, I see something.
That's a big nasty bolt.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, wow, look at that thing.
Yep, that's a big nasty bolt. It came off of one of the, I'm going to walk it up the edges and
Okay.
so. Oh, it's seriously dead, Jim. Okay, I've got like a 2021 right here. Let's see what I got.
There's
I
a
think
lot
it's
of
like right
beach
here. I kicked it out over in this piece, didn't I? Yep. So it's right there. I'm gonna think that that's a penny. That is a penny. Kind of crusty. I got a 21 here. Sounds like Terry's got something over there. Yeah, let's see what we got. Not very far down. Mine's like on the surface here, it looks like. It should be in there. There it is. Shiny. Shiny penny. That is a memorial cent. That's not very old. That makes sense, it was on the surface. Looks like a 20. 2020. Let's go see what Terry's got. I'll fill this one in real quick, make sure there's nothing else there.
This one sounds interesting.
2021 also?
It's on the surface.
Yeah.
What was yours?
A penny sitting on the surface.
Okay.
Sounds about like what this is.
There we got a lot of surface pennies right here. Yeah?
Knocked it out already, didn't I? It is right there, isn't it?
Looks that way.
There you go.
Okay.
Another crusted up penny.
Yep.
You want it?
Sure.
So all the ramps onto the beach are closed and there are no marker poles anywhere down here. So until they get all the marker poles back in, I don't think they'll be letting anyone on the beach unless they start dropping cones or something. It's going to be a while. There's a lot of junk piled up everywhere. Terry's got something down here. Got an 18.
Sounds really good.
18, 19 right through there.
Yep.
Okay.
Sounds really good. Yeah.
Right on the surface, isn't it?
Not too far.
Right here in the shade. I think I got it. Water's coming up. I'm going to go up here just a tad. Put it right there. It's either in this side or through here. I think it's sitting right there. Looks like it. I don't know what that is. Oh, shit. That's a live bullet.
Seriously?
Yeah, and here I am banging it.
And here you are banging it.
Yep. That's why you gotta be careful banging things when you take them out of the water.
I got a 234. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me change battery. Right here on the surface, isn't it? Okay, right about there. Yeah. There it is. More of those sunglasses.
Oh, okay. All right.
You know, we get enough parts, we can build some new sunglasses here.
I know, we can start our own line of
thin wire one there.
repurposed sunglasses.
Yeah.
There's
what
20.
you got?
Kind of far
19,
down.
19 little down, well, it's down, huh? Okay. I don't know, to me it shows on top. Maybe it is down a little bit. We'll see. Maybe on the edge here. I got it. In there. A helicopter sounds funny. Well, I'm not seeing it right away. Oh, it's over in this piece. Right? There it is.
Hello.
Just had to pop it out.
Here I am.
Yeah, that's right. Another crusty penny.
Around a 4.
4 something right here.
We called the water.
Yep. The ocean just doesn't like us digging. It comes up whenever we start to dig in a dry area. It might still be in the hole.
Sinking?
Yeah. We'll go up here ways. Stay away out of the water. I'm gonna split it up a little bit, figure out where it is. Right there. There it is.
Okay.
Here we go. Part of a sinker line. I mean a hook line, either way.
All right.
Okay.
No wonder.
Well, I did find it. There's a typical surfer. Well, 113 is bouncing all over the place. Let's see if I can get it. It shouldn't be very far down here. If it's about like that. Might have it. Ooh, probably shouldn't wash it out. I think it's small. There, you got something over there. Let's see what we got here. Well, I didn't wash it out yet. What'd I get? Anything? Go up here. See if I get anything. I am not seeing it. Oh, yes I am. That it? That's it. A piece of wire, copper wire wrap of some sort. Not sure what that's for. Oh, sharp. I'd say that's like some kind of fishing thing. Can you get something over here?
I've got a 20 over here. Well, I did. Ah!
Look at the palm tree coming in on us too. Okay, so you got a 20 right there somewhere.
Yeah.
And let the water go back out a little bit.
Yeah.
There it is.
It's right there.
See if we can keep it. Alright, shouldn't be very far right here, I think. I got it. Let's go up here. Come up where it's a little bit drier. We'll go past the water line, I think, because I think the water's coming up this far. There we go. There we are. Somewhere in here. And this a piece. Thought I just saw it. There it is. That'd be another crusty. I'm gonna guess a penny. Looks like it's a penny.
Okay. Rang up like a penny.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yeah.
I have a 29.30 right here. Probably a quarter.
Oh, good.
I think it's a quarter. Let's see if I can wash it out in the water here. Water's coming up. A little more water. A little more water. Just a little more water. Here it is. Yep, definitely a quarter.
A few coins.
More there?
Not as much as we'd hoped, yeah. Lots of sunglasses.
A quarter.
Oh, good.
We get a little bit of sunset coming in. Sunset's in about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Makes the buildings look really cool, doesn't it?
There we go.
Terri's
Ooh,
got something right here already.
Oh, I like that.
25.
I like that. Yeah. That's the number.
I'd say it's
I like
right here and it's down a little ways. Oh, I lied. It's not down a little ways. There it is. See, it's shining out right there. It's a penny.
So it's a memorial then.
Yeah, it's a memorial cent. So it's got to be. Looks like it's
or,
copper.
Or weedy. One or the other.
Or weedy. Yeah, not a weedy. Okay. I'd say that's a copper penny.
Nice.
There you go.
There.
Terri's got something right
Quarter,
here.
quarter.
What you got? A 29.30 right there.
I got a quarter.
I got a quarter.
I got a quarter.
Right there, down a little ways. So that's it. Still down in there. We'll get it. I think I see it right there. Sitting right here on the edge.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yummy.
Ooh.
A little black there. There we go.
Might be silver.
Could be silver.
Maybe.
Yeah, that'd be nice. No, it's clad.
No. Okay.
It's definitely not old. It's
It's got the.
yeah. It's
okay.
what is that? What was the flight one?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Upside down.
I could hope.
Okay. Is there anything else
But
in
it's
there?
a quarter.
Yep. So
Your
here's
scoop.
a quarter. You get it? I guess that was it. Fill that quarter hole in. And it's not a half hole. It's not a whole hole. It's a quarter hole.
Good.
And another 29 right here, so another quarter maybe.
Yeah.
Kind of what we're guessing. Yay. Oh, did I see it right here? Oh, did I drop it right there? Oh, sitting on the edge of the scoop right there. Look at that.
Ah, funny.
Hooray. I'm pretty sure that's plaid. Well, it's quarter size. Yeah, there it is. There's George. Just couldn't see him. It looks like it's rubbed down on the edges. Hey, Terri's got something over here. I was busy with my quarter.
25 on the surface.
25. There's my scoop. That my scoop. Solid 25, 26, 20, 25, 26 on the surface.
Yeah. Woo, listen to that.
Yep, right there on the surface. Looks like I got it there or over here. Nope.
There we go.
There
it is.
What do you think? Copper penny?
Mm-hmm. I would say so.
Kind of high for, I don't know, it's crusty. Memorial cent for sure.
Okay. Gotta be for 25.
Yeah. Can't quite read it.
Okay.
So, I'm going to say 79-ish maybe, or 80, somewhere around there. It looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Could be a 0 at the end, 70. Okay, here's your penny.
Thank you.
Definitely copper though. Well, hey, what do you know? I got a 19 right here, 18, 19. Right on the surface it looks like. Up
And
there.
now you found some.
I found something. There it is. It's sitting right here. That'll be another crusty penny, isn't it?
Hey.
Yep, that'll be it. Hey, I got a 13 showing up right here on the surface. Let's see what we got. Seems I missed it. About there. I think it's right here and I'm seeing it. Is that it? Maybe a little further. Might be that piece sitting right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's right there.
What do you have?
I think it's a nickel.
Well, good. Is that our first one?
That's our first nickel tonight.
I thought so.
Nickel on our way back. Nickelback.
Nickel back.
Yeah, a little green to it. That's a good sign. There might be some gold floating around here somewhere. Jewelry of some sort. Here's got something right here. Got something right there. What am I running at? 10%? Okay. Where?
Right there.
Oh.
There you go.
25.
Yeah.
On the surface there, isn't it? Yeah.
Ooh.
It's right there. Is that a dime? That looks like a dime.
Oh, good. It was a dime number.
Yeah, it was a
That
dime number.
Thanks for watching the Detecting Duo with Terri and Scott. Here's a quick visual recap of the stuff we found on this detecting adventure. Questions? Comments? Post something and we'll respond. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. If you see us on the beach, come up and say hi. Thanks for watching.